Oh, hi there, guys. Welcome back to CodesEmpire Unleashed. I got my wife behind the camera. She's laughing at me right now. Because, and she's rolling her eyes because I do my thing. So today, I thought I would do an interesting video. And I'm sure you guys have seen, maybe you yourself have looked up stuff on filming. There's a lot of different ways you can film, okay? I'm all I'm going to talk about is filming with a phone, okay? That's all I'm going to talk about today. Filming with your phone. A lot of people, the first thing you think of, you go to grab your phone and you start recording and you film like this, okay? Cool. Wow, the picture looks amazing, right? Because it's filling up your screen. I got a great picture there. Problem is, think about a TV, for instance. Okay? Which way is a TV? TV's like this. Okay? So, with your TV like this, when you're watching a movie or whatever, you go to the big screen, for instance, it's like this, okay? When you film, like this, basically, okay? Guess what? Now I have all this black space on either side to fill the screen, okay? So it doesn't look good. And when I'm watching that, for instance, just say a YouTube video, okay, that someone filmed like this. Oh, let me show you how to fix this or whatever. And I'm filming it like this, okay? Now you're watching this video and it looks funny on the TV, for instance. You're watching it because, like, for me, I love to cast my video, whatever, onto the TV, or pull up YouTube on the TV and watch a video on the TV. So when I'm watching it and your video's like this, it looks funny. I know YouTube now offers, well, they formatted it and made it so if you do film like this, if I'm watching a YouTube video on my phone, for instance, I can watch it like this and it fills the screen and it looks very cool. And you're like, oh, cool. And you can watch it and you're like, nice. That's great for my phone. But if I am one of these guys, I like to be at home, and sometimes I like to cast something up on the screen because maybe somebody's doing a neat piece, showing, some trucks out four-wheeling, or showing you whatever it might be, this cool scenery or this fishing stuff. I want to watch that on my big screen. I mean, yeah, I'll watch it on my phone sometimes, but I generally, if I'm watching it, I'll flip my phone sideways anyways, because I want to see it like I would watch it on TV or the big screen in the movie house, okay? That's just me. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like to watch YouTube videos on their TV. So, and especially with apps being on your TV and Blu-ray players or whatnot, and the fact that a lot of people have smart TVs, and the fact that you can cast stuff from your phone to your TV, it's important that you film correctly. So if I can help anybody out with filming, if you grab your phone and you're gonna start recording something because you're like, you see something's going on, and you want the news people to see it or use it, turn it like this and then hit record. If you have it like this and you hit record and then you turn it, guess what? We're all gonna be watching the footage crooked like this. Nobody wants to watch crooked footage. I don't. I'm sure you guys don't. I hate turning my head sideways to watch something. So, set up your phone, hit record. That's how to do it, okay? This is the best way to record if you're going to use your phone as a means to record. And don't get me wrong, there's a lot of phones. If you set your settings to the highest possible setting on your phone, man, you can get some pristine footage, okay? Yeah, it's going to take up some space on your phone. If you have a big micro SD card in your phone, man, that's the way to go. Do it, okay? And put it on that SD card and you'll be set, okay? But film like this, it'll make a world of difference. And always turn it first, get it in position, hit record, and don't flip it in the middle of recording. When you start doing this, we're gonna be watching you like this, okay? And I hate, you know, I'm getting over 40 now, and it puts kinks in my neck when I gotta watch you like this, you know. Nobody wants to watch you like that. Yeah, see, you guys know, you know what I'm talking about. Even the news media will be happier because they'll be like, yeah, we can fill up the screen. We don't get that, have to do those funny things on the side, okay? So anyways, that's just a little tip. I know I went on already too long. Whatever. Turn your phone sideways, hit record. Makes for some good footage. And I mean, I know YouTube will support this, but my TV doesn't because it doesn't turn sideways. So, and most computer monitors don't either. You know, your monitor's like this too. So, anyways, enough of that crap. Now that we had some fun, I'll get back to watching some YouTube videos myself. That's what I'm gonna go do. Yeah, you guys should too. Anyways, enough of that. I'll catch you guys on the next adventure of CodesEmpire Unleashed. See you guys later. Hopefully this helps.